Drowning in paperwork? Let's ditch the snail mail and supercharge your document sending with Docusign's bulk send feature. First, logged into your Docusign account from the home page, click the new drop-down menu in the upper left corner, then select bulk send. Now, you'll need a CSV file. This is where all your recipient data lives. Make sure the first row has column headers like name, email, and any other fields you need to personalize your documents. Save the file to your computer. Back in Docusign, click the Upload List button and select your CSV file. Docusign will automatically map the columns from your CSV to the document fields. Next, you'll be asked to select your document. Choose the document you want to send in bulk. Remember, your document should have fields set up that correspond to the columns in your CSV file. For example, if your CSV has a name column, your document should have a name field. Double-check that all the fields are mapped correctly. This ensures that each recipient gets a personalized document with their information automatically filled in. Once you've confirmed everything, hit the Send button. Docusign will now send out individual documents to each recipient listed in your CSV file. You can track the progress of your bulk send in the Bulk Send Reports section here. You can see which documents have been sent, viewed, and signed. That's it. You've successfully sent documents in bulk with Docusign, saving you time and effort. Now go enjoy the extra free time. Don't forget to subscribe for more Docusign tips and tricks.